What about you?
Yes, I'm pretty well. Thank you. So this is our first call, so I would like to know a little bit about you.
Okay, so my name is Sarvesh Kumar, and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. And if I talk about my qualifications, so I have done my graduation, and after that, I'm preparing for government job related to law because I have done my law. Yeah,
Okay. Okay, that's nice. So when did you completed your graduation?
graduation 219, 2119.
Okay, in 19. And from that time onwards, you are preparing for government sector?
Uh, yeah, that time I was preparing like a competition exam, like railway SSC. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Okay, would you like my introduction?
yes, ma'am, of course.
Okay, so my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. If I'll talk about my education, so I have done engineering and currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company and simultaneously I'm running my YouTube also. If I come to my hobbies, so I love drawing, dancing and traveling. That's all about me.
Great. Are you doing something like? Are you doing job?
Yes, yes, I'm working in software company.
Great, man. But I'm suffering because of my job, and you know, just my extravagant, like you can say, expenditure. I'm taking money from my parents because and this is not good for me, and I'm just 24 years old. I like, so it is not good for me, and I'm thinking that I would like to do something in my like after within after a month. Let's see what happens. So tell me,
Yes.
ma'am, your English is very quite well. So how did you learn this language? First, tell me.
Okay. To be honest, I have learned this all by myself only because I have done my schooling and college in Hindi medium only. But yeah, when I joined my company, so here it is inevitable in my company that I have to speak in English language because I have to deal with foreign clients as well. So yeah, that time I was not that much of confident and fluent enough that I can talk with native speakers. So I was embarrassing a lot, like how I can survive here. So if I want to do like good communication with them, so I need to work on myself. So I decided to work, but how? So I started with listening first, listening English content, and I was doing self talk a lot whenever I was getting time. So I was just taking any kind of scenario and I was making sentence by my own. And yeah, like grammar things I had learned in school time, so I had an idea like yes, these are the rules we can apply here. And gradually I started speaking with like strangers also. And to be honest, for last 1 year I'm trying to speak every day. Yeah, some days I skip, but mostly I'm consistent with my practice. So it's all about practice and practice. Like every day you have to speak, then only you can improve. Yeah.
Great. But my God, just 1 year and you are speaking very fluent, so it is good for you. But no, I have started my spoken language before 5 months. So, but nowadays I don't have any fluency like you, and I want to become like you at any cost.
You can become, it all depends. Even when I see the other person who are very advanced speaker, that time I feel, oh my God, why I'm not like them? So I still feel the same. But yeah, it's a gradual process, so we can't learn like very quickly. It will take time. So I'm not bothering about like, yes, in 2 months or 3 months, I have to become fluent. I have to work on myself, and I know that how much time I'm giving because like because of job and all, I don't get much time, but still I try to make some time for my.
Okay, so ma'am, earlier you told me that I learned this language myself. So which type of activity did you do daily?
Okay, so as I mentioned that I started listening first, like kids stories and this kind of stories, especially because I love to listen stories book, not book, like I was listening a lot stories, and
Okay.
I was trying to imitate those kind of sentence by my own. And whenever I had time, so I was just taking the things. For example, I have to give my introduction. So I was just trying to speak aloud by myself, not in front of mirror or in front of camera. Whenever I had time, I was sitting at bed, so I just started speaking anything, any random thing. And whenever I was lacking somewhere, for example, sometimes we don't get the actual word, what we call it in English language. So I was taking help from Google Translator, and this is how I practiced. And once I started speaking with like strangers, so yeah, because of listening, you learn so many things, like how other people are saying, and every day I'm learning from the other people also, how they are saying, and what are the things I can improve, and some new vocab as well. So this is how I'm practicing.
Great, great, man.
Okay, so you mentioned that you are learning this language for 5 months, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So are you doing this kind of practice every day?
No, I told you that I'm not like you, and I have no consistency.
Yeah, that is the main drawback, you know. Like when once you are consistent with something, so you can achieve. Otherwise, it would be really difficult. As I mentioned that in my previous time, I was not that much of consistent. But when I started speaking every day, so now I have improved a lot.
So when have you started your speaking?
It's about to complete 1.5 years.
Before 1.5 year, you know how to speak English, or maybe I can say little bit.
Yeah, little bit you can say because I had done engineering. So yeah, we had no spoken environment, but I had subjects in English only. So I had an idea of writing an exam. So I can say that yes, like little bit I already knew. But
Do
yeah,
you write? Really?
not now.
Not
Yeah, I'm
now.
telling about my past when I was doing my engineering and college. So that's
That
why.
time you were writing, not now.
Yeah, not now. Yeah, sometimes I write something, especially script when I shoot my videos sometimes, so I try to write something.
So can you suggest me which type of writing do you do that time? Because
Uh, mm-hmm.
earlier you told me I wanna become like you. No, no,
Okay,
I'm telling, to be honest, I'm telling you, almost content I watch your videos because I had seen your video and the way you are speaking that when like while conversation, so I like okay. So,
okay, thank you. I didn't,
but
I did.
I wanted to talk to you because you know, but how it is possible because you know I have received my mobile, so you can say it is not good for me, and yeah. So
Mm.
my
Okay,
Skype, I left. You can say my whole like the pictures and ID and email ID, everything is you can say deleted.
okay.
So
Mm.
and I'm unable to find those type of things. So that's why I'm unable to connect like a lot of like you, the same people because I have started my spoken language before 5 months. So almost before 1 week, this type of thing it's happened with me.
Okay, okay. And now you resume your practice, right?
No, no, no. That's why I'm suffering, and you can see now I'm very upset because of my email ID and a lot of things I had, and you know I had a YouTube channel that and I was running, but you know I had 7K subscriber, but I lost everything.
My God, I don't,
Yeah,
I don't have enough subscriber, but you had and you lost this. So yeah, it is really.
that's why you can see now I'm very upset, and you know I'm very upset, ma'am. And there I have uploaded almost 350 near about videos and 7.45K near about I had subscriber.
Okay. So did you try to recover or send an
Yeah,
email to
I
YouTube
had
support?
tried, yeah, ma'am. Yeah, I had tried many time, but you know I couldn't recover my ID and like email ID. I
Hmm.
lost everything related to my mobile.
Okay. Yeah, it is really sad to hear this because I can totally understand because it takes a lot of our time and efforts if you are really running your YouTube channel. So I can totally relate this thing. Like you must be very upset.
So that's why today I couldn't prepare my food and I was just taking rest. Almost I,
Oh.
I and I'm little bit famished. And so, ma'am, you are doing job and as well as you are learning in this language. So I think you are a student and maybe you are studying nowadays.
No, I am working professional and yeah, I'm doing some study as well, but it is related to my only, not other study like higher studies and all. No.
Okay. Oh my God. So there, maybe you are doing hard work. I can say.
Yes, sometimes I feel that, but when I see other person who are doing very great job, so that time I feel that I am nothing in front of them because they are doing a lot of hard work. That's why
Same
they are
here.
here, and yeah,
Same here. I'm looking your. You can. I'm seeing here. Then I like that. I should do something.
yeah. But I'm not bothering too much because I am already working, so it is my secondary part. I'm doing in my free time, so I'm not totally relying on YouTube. So that's why. But yeah, it is part of my career also because communication skills is mandatory. So that's why it is. That's why I'm this thing.
Okay, ma'am. So how much time do you spend here? Almost on a Skype group.
I just do one conversation.
That's enough.
Just
Yeah, because your English is good. So
not
what?
because I don't get much time because of my work. Like 9 hours I have to give to my work, and after that we had some household work as well and some other own work also. So that's why. And today's weekend, like today's my off, so I thought I can do one or two conversation as well.
Why today is your office
Yes,
off?
Saturdays and Sundays my off.
Oh, great! You have a lot of opportunity to learn this language.
Yes,
but
yes.
but here is
But,
no app.
hmm.
Here is no app.
Okay.
You have to come daily. Otherwise, you, you can understand your problem.
You can, sorry, you are working also somewhere?
No, ma'am, I'm a student, so I'm preparing for government job. So I have taken coaching. So there I study almost 6 7 hour daily. So today you can say I didn't.
Okay, okay, got it. So you are going for studies, 6 to 7 hours.
Yeah, there I study daily, but not today because today I have taken myself off.
Okay, okay. Okay, that's
Yeah,
good.
because
Because sometimes,
before some days I was very upset because of my email ID, and so that's why uh, today now you can say I didn't could food didn't prepare anything. So now so far, so I don't know I but little bit now I'm famous, but little bit you can say I'm crying because
oh,
of my life. And there I worked almost 1 year, and yeah, so I lost everything related to my YouTube channel, and you can understand because I got it almost 7 k subscribers. So and
yes.
maybe you can uh, I was going to monetize my channel, but not now. Like after few months.
So you had already 7K subscribers, so you must have on your monetization.
Yeah, ma'am. No, I was, but I lost it my email ID, so it was not good for me that
Hmm.
time when I reset my mobile.
So what's your next plan? Do you want to start again or not?
Yeah, ma'am. because I don't have any skills, so yeah, I'm a lawyer, so I can do everything whatever I want, because I have a consistency little bit, and willpower and patience. I have patience. That's why now I today I have started my YouTube channel, and there are, you can say, I have uploaded single video. Yesterday I uploaded. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. But again, you have to do all these things, and you have to reach on that particular level. So it would be really difficult again, because we know that how much efforts we are putting. We are uploading our videos, so that's why. So it was related to English or something else?
Just English, man. Like
English.
yeah, that time I was uploading there like short video, and in this type of video you can see now.
Okay. Stories type.
Yeah, this type of video I was uploading, and sometime I used to upload like short video, but I lost it. So what will I do now? And today, no, yesterday I was crying, like I don't know why, little bit, just
Mm,
because of my YouTube channel, and my whole family members, they know he is running YouTube channel. They
mm,
knew, but not. Oh my God.
I can understand your pain, but I now you can't do anything if you can't recover your like videos and all. So you must have to again start from the zero, and then
Yeah, man. Yeah, you are right.
I think you should do something according to your interest and try to divert your mind. Then only you can prepare your mind again to do something better. Yeah, it can be that you can do more better in your life. Just try to like avoid such kind of things and try to forget. But yeah, it would be very difficult, I know. But now you have to prepare yourself again.
Man, yesterday I was crying almost 2 hours continue.
Yeah, I can understand because I'm just thinking, and yeah, I can totally understand your pain.
Yeah, please, you can teach me, because you know everything in this language. So whenever
Okay.
you get free time, you send message, and because I always wanted to talk to you. That's why I.
Okay, it's
Please,
my
ma'am.
thank you so much. And yeah, if I'll get chance, so definitely we will have another conversation. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so
It
much.
was it was not good conversation, ma'am.
No, I think you shared something about you, so I would also be careful about myself and not to do the repeat the same mistake. And I think I have learned one thing, that it can be happen with anyone, but we should believe on ourselves. Like we can do anything, whether you failed sometime, but yeah, you can stand up again and you can start your journey again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Uh, Sorry, ma'am. I'm little bit nervous. I don't know.
Okay, no issue. Take your time and take rest as well, and think positive only. You will get result.
It is possible, ma'am, because I have lost my everything.
I know it is
But
very difficult. But when you are stuck somewhere, like your particular thing, so you can't move ahead. So we should try at least. Yeah, it would be very difficult, I know, but I think you should start, and you should start again.
thank
Oh,
you, ma'am. Thank you for your compliment. I will do that, as you said.
okay. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Whole.